Hello friends, welcome to my channel SS Study Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to we write data into a text file using a file writer and buffer writer. Let's get started. In case if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. And using a file writer, we can use this writing a text file using a default character encoding. And buffer writer writes the text character stream with an efficiency and provides a convenient method for writing a line separator, which is a new line. And I'm using a sample location to store our text file. Let me copy this location. Let's jump into the Eclipse. And this is a Maven project, and I have a package created. Let me create a class for demoing this. How do we write test data into a text file? Write data, and we need a main method. And to write into a text file, we need a file writer. And file writer, file as instance, equal to new file writer. File writer and file location, we need to pass the location, and we need to make sure this file location is existing or not. In case if it is exists, we need to rewrite that file location. So I'm passing a boolean value as true, and this condition will check if the file exists in that location, then it will rewrite the entire file. In case if file is not exist, then that will create a new file. And we need to throw some declarations, which is a IO exception. Using a file, we can call method call write. Under write, we need to provide some data that will write into a text file. So let me give some characters like welcome to my channel as a one line of string. And I need to use, if I wanted to use a line space or into a new line, then I can use file dot write. Need to select writer, and we need to provide a backward slash at the new line. And in the new line, I'm going to write something like welcome. And after writing these lines, I need to close my file. So file dot close. And for our convenient, like we need to know whether with this file is written or it's successfully executed, we need to write some sysout condition or sysout to print that we have executed successfully. File has been created. So far we have done, we have created a file writer, and we have provided an instance, and we have made conditions whether a file existing in that location, we need to rewrite the file, and in case if it is not exist, we need to create a new file. And I'm using this project location, which is a test files. So currently I have only test.txt. Once I run this program, it will create a file which is a sh text, extension as sh.txt. And let me run this program. The file has been created. So if you can see, there is nothing is displaying here. We need to refresh the project. Once I refresh, there is one text file created, which is sh.txt. If I open, I can see the same thing, that I have provided welcome to my channel and welcome as a new line again. This is how we can do a simple simple way to write the file into text data into text file. And there is one more approach where we can write the same condition using a buffer writer. Let me create a new class again, and new class. Now we are writing write using buffer writer. And once we create a class, this time I will do it in a try catch block. We need to create a file writer equal to file equal to new file writer, and we need to provide the file location. I will copy the same location from here in the previous program, and here also I'm using the same condition. If the file exists, then it will rewrite that entire file. In case if it does not exist, then it will create a new file. And in this scenario we are doing with a buffer writer and swr equal to new buffer writer. We need to use a file instance, and once we have created buffer writer instance, we need to call by using buffer writer, which is a wr dot write. Welcome to my channel. And here we have an option to create a new line. We have a method new line in the buffer writer, which is new line, and this will allows us to create a write the characters or write the line into a new line. Right, thanks. And after writing the data into text file, we need to close the file dot close, and we have given a try catch. So under try catch I will provide something like e dot print stack trace if there is any exception occurs. Now I will change the file name to sh study. Okay. Let me save and run the program again. Now this time also there is no exceptions occur in the console. Once I go to the project and refresh, you can see a new file is created, which is a shstudy.txt file. There is no data populated here. Okay, the reason because here there is no data written here. Once we jump back to okay, here we have closed the file, but we need to close the buffer writer. I think this time it will write the file data. Let me rerun the program again. Yeah, it's given no errors, and refresh the project and go into the now this time it has been written some data which we have created using a buffer writer. So we have done a mistake where I have used a file to close, but if I need to close the buffer writer, then only our entire information will be get stored into a text file. Thanks for watching. Please do share your comments in case if you have any questions and queries, and in case if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.